Welcome to the Project Manager Masterclass. In this video, project plans. What are they and how do you make one? No, really, what are they and how do you make one?
A project plan is often visualized as a Gantt chart. It tells a visual story about the relationships between the work to be done over a period of time. It shows the progression of the project from beginning to end.
To make a project plan valuable, it should include the project's phases and the tasks included in each of these phases. The plan shows the viewer when each task begins and ends, milestones of the project, and which tasks are dependent on one another.
Okay, I didn't ask for a Wikipedia article. There's no need to insult me in front of the whole crew.
The project plan is one of the most important tools for any project. It lets you visualize the entire project from beginning to end.
Are you just ignoring me now?
With a well-made project plan, you can estimate resources properly and show who does what task when.
Am I a ghost? Can you hear me?
For more information on project plans, check out the link below.
Can you hear me?